Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 6 Harbour View Apartments. Now this is a absolutely beautifully presented one-bedroom first floor apartment, and the location of this property is absolutely wonderful. Just outside of that window on the left-hand side, you'll see just a little glimpse of the seafront here at Herne Bay, so it's an absolutely wonderful location. And as we're in this main living space here, you can see it's really well proportioned. You've got a nice amount of space to work with, and you've got that nice modern kitchen there as well. And there you go, there's that little sea glimpse that you've got at the end of the road there. So really wonderful location. You're pretty much on the high street with this property, so all of the main shops and parades of cafes and bars and restaurants, they're right there for you. So this is a really brilliant property. It's off at end of chain, so of course there's nothing really to stop you from getting this transaction done as quick as you'd like it. Again, looking at this kitchen, you can see it's a nice modern finish here. You've got fully integrated appliances, and it's really well appointed. Now as we come through here into the bathroom, you can see here again you've got that nice modern finish, and of course you've got the plumbing here for the washing machine as well, so you can keep that washing machine out of the main living space, get that noise out of there, and again you can just lock it away here in this bathroom. And coming through to the main bedroom now, you can see here really nice sized room, not bad at all, and you've got a nice window there just overlooking the communal courtyard at the rear of the property. Like I said at the beginning, this is a really wonderful one-bedroom apartment, and this is absolutely fantastic either as a buy-to-let opportunity or as a first-time buy, so give us a call to find out more.